Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for Monday, April 27th. I will look at the weather impact summary first. It's going to be a windy day today, especially in the Snake River Plain and the Southern Highlands. We do have a wind advisory in effect for those locations, and we do expect blowing dust again today, and could reduce visibility at times to very low levels along the Interstate 84, 8615 corridor, all the way from Burley through Blackfoot. So if you are driving late this morning through this afternoon, be aware that you're going to have very strong winds, and again, the possibility of blowing dust reducing visibilities. We will have some mountain showers and thunderstorms today, especially in the eastern highlands near the Wyoming border. And we do have mild temperatures continuing at least through the middle of the week. We have flood warnings in effect for the Blackfoot River near Henry and a flood advisory for the Willow Creek near Ryrie. Looking at the satellite imagery, we can see some cloud cover, mainly mid and high clouds moving into northern Idaho and eastern Oregon. And that's associated with the cold front that's going to sweep through the state this morning into early afternoon. It'll drive into Wyoming, and we're going to have this really strong winds behind this weak cold front. And again, we will have some showers and thunderstorms, mainly in high elevations today. And here's the weather impact overview. As you can see, we expect some moderate impacts with the wind and blowing dust in the Magic Valley and Snake River Plain today. Wind in the southern hills, and the thunderstorms in the eastern highlands and also the Sawtooth Mountains this morning and this afternoon with cold frontal passage. Not expecting any impacts Tuesday or Wednesday. We have another system approaching Thursday, and we'll have thunderstorms and also breezy conditions returning to the southern hills and the Snake River Plain with the system on Thursday, and some lingering showers and thunderstorms Friday in the eastern highlands. So today will be the big wind day, and then we expect the next system to affect us on very late Wednesday night through the day on Thursday. Here are the wind speeds we're expecting this afternoon. You can see in generally 25 to 35 mile per hour sustained winds. Again, the strongest winds in the lower Snake River Plain from American Falls through Blackfoot and the Arco Desert to the north as well. So we are, again, very, very strong winds. Wind gusts in the 40 to 50 mile per hour range in that area. So again, with these type of speeds, we are expecting the blowing dust to increase again this afternoon and causing some possible driving difficulties throughout the day. And wind speeds, again, they'll continue through sunset. Not quite as strong as early this afternoon, but again, still 20 to 30 mile per hour sustained winds with gusts in the 30 to 40 mile per hour range through 8 to 9 o'clock. The wind should die down quickly by midnight. High temperatures today, very mild, above normal. Generally 60s to around 70 in the Snake River Plain, mid-50s to mid-60s in the mountains. A bit warmer on Tuesday. Again, well above normal for this time of year. Upper 60s to low 70s in the Snake Plain, mid-50s to mid-60s in the mountains. And right now it still looks like Wednesday will be the warmest day of the week. Many areas in the lower elevations in the Snake River Plain, Magic Valley will get into the 80s. And at least mid to upper 70s throughout the Snake River Plain. And even mountain areas will be into the 60s to low 70s. So going back to the weather impact summary, again, very windy today in the Snake River Plain, some of the southern highlands. Again, the big issue with this is going to be the potential for blowing dust again, reducing visibility along the interstate corridor. Some mountain showers and thunderstorms as well. And again, warm temperatures will continue at least through the middle part of the week. And we do have the flood warning out for the Blackfoot River near Henry and the flood advisory for the Willow Creek near Ryrie. So that concludes the briefing today. Again, be aware of the very high winds expected today. Wind advisories, blowing dust will be expected later this afternoon. Again, the main impacts will be along the interstate corridor, so that will be the big impact this week. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here or go to our website. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day.